Hello, little one. Can you hear the sound of letter E?
E, E, E.
Letter E makes the sounds
E, 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 E.
E is for elephant.
I'm an elephant.
E is for eagle.
Eagle flies high.
E is for egg.
Egg is yummy.
E is for eel.
I hear with my ears.
Can you say the sound again?
E, E, E.
Learning letters is fun with Fefdy Prime.